हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज की वीडियो थोड़ी स्पेशल होने वाली है क्योंकि वैलेंटाइंस डे आ रहा है और आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ वैलेंटाइंस डे मेकअप लुक। सो इफ यू लव सॉफ्ट ग्लैम, कीप वॉचिंग। I am using Praush Moisturiser to hydrate my skin properly. Hydrated skin makes the makeup look smooth and fresh. I am gently massaging it into my face so everything blends nicely later. Moving on to base, now I am using Forever 52 concealer to cover my marks and little pigmentation. I am applying it only on the area where I need extra coverage and blending it well so it looks natural. Now I am using MAC foundation. I am taking a small amount and blending it evenly on my face and neck for a flawless and even finish. I love how smooth and long lasting this foundation looks on the skin. It gives good coverage but still feels lightweight. I am making sure to blend it properly into my skin and down to my neck so everything looks even and natural. For my eyebrows, I am using Mars eyebrow pencil. I am filling in my brows with light strokes, keeping them soft and natural because I don't want them to look so harsh. For my eyes, I am using Swiss Beauty Jelly Stick. I am applying it directly on my eyelids. It's very creamy and easy to use, which makes the eye makeup quick and simple. I really like the soft shimmer it gives, perfect for Valentine's Day. Now I am applying my Pixi Blush. I really love how soft and fresh this looks on the skin. It gives such a natural rosy glow, almost like that perfect Valentine flush. I am placing it on the apples of my cheeks and blending it slightly upwards to give my face a lifted look. Honestly, blush just makes everything look more romantic and put together. Now I am using the Forever 52 highlighter concealer to brighten and highlight the high point of my face. I am applying a little bit under my eyes, slightly above my jawline area. I am not taking it too high or too much, just enough to brighten this section and give my face a soft lift. This placement really helps to make the face look more fresh and structured without looking heavy. I am blending it out nicely so it melts into the skin and gives a natural brightness. Now I am using the Maybelline mascara. I really like this one because it gives very nice volume to my lashes. I am applying it from the roots and gently brushing it upwards so all my lashes get coated properly. Even one coat makes a big difference, but I am adding a second coat for extra volume. You can already see how it makes my eyes look bigger and more open. Mascara really completes the eye makeup and gives a soft glam finish. Now I am applying the Swiss Beauty lip liner. I am just outlining my lips to give them a nice shape. This helps my lipstick look more neat and long lasting. I am using the inside lipstick. I really like the shade because it's soft and perfect for romantic look. It goes really well with the lip liner and complete the whole makeup. The formula feels comfortable on the lips and give a nice smooth finish. I think this shade is perfect for the Valentine's Day. Not too bold but still very pretty. Now I am using the Maybelline highlighter. I am applying it on my cheekbone and a little on the bridge of my nose to add some glow. It gives a really nice shine and make my skin look fresh and radiant. I love how it catches the light and adds that final touch to the makeup. This step really completes the whole look. I am applying my eyeliner at the end after finishing all my makeup. I like to do it last because it helps me to see the full look first and then decide how much definition I need. This way the eyeliner does not look too heavy and it balances everything perfectly. So yes guys, this is my final Valentine's Day makeup look. I really love how soft, romantic and fresh it turned out. It's perfect for date night, a dinner plan or even just feel special for yourself. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It really supports me and motivates me to create such videos for you. Also let me know in the comments how you are celebrating Valentine's Day and which part of this makeup look was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care and happy Valentine's Day in advance.